Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to unpin a message in your Telegram group. If a pinned message has served its purpose or you just want to tidy up your chat space, don't worry, this process only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Next, head over to the group or channel where the pinned message is located. You'll notice the pinned message displayed right at the top of the conversation. It's always fixed there so that everyone can easily see it, but sometimes it's no longer relevant, and that's when unpinning comes in handy. Now tap on the pinned message at the top of the chat. This action will take you directly to the exact spot in the conversation where the message appears. Once you're there, single tap on the message itself. You'll see a few options pop up on your screen, and from this menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Unpin. Select Unpin from the list. Telegram will instantly remove that message from the pin section at the top. Just like that, the message is gone from the spotlight, and your chat looks cleaner and less cluttered. If you ever change your mind or need to highlight something else, you can always pin a new message using the same menu. It's a great way to keep your group members updated with the most important announcements, links, or discussions without leaving old messages hanging around. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to unpin any message in a Telegram group quickly and easily. Remember, keeping your chat organized helps everyone stay focused and up to date on what really matters. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to tap like and subscribe for more simple tech tips that make your everyday apps even easier to use. Thanks for watching.